In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert time entries to an invoice in FreshBooks. We'll go through the process from start to finish, so you can take the time you've already tracked and turn it into a clean, professional invoice for your client. This is a great way to save time, reduce manual entry, and make sure the hours you worked are billed accurately. To begin, sign in to your FreshBooks account. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand menu and open the time tracking section. This is where your tracked hours are stored, and it's the starting point for converting billable work into an invoice. Before creating anything, take a moment to review your time entries. Make sure the billable entries have been logged correctly and that the details look accurate. This is important because the information you select here will carry over into the invoice, so it's worth doing a quick check now to avoid corrections later. When everything looks right, click the Generate Invoice button in the top right corner. FreshBooks will then ask you to choose the client connected to those billable time entries. Select the correct client so the invoice pulls in the right tracked work. Next, choose the time entries you want to include. This gives you control over exactly what gets billed, which is especially helpful if you're only invoicing for part of the tracked time or if you want to leave certain entries out for now. After selecting the entries, continue to create a new invoice from that tracked time. FreshBooks will automatically import the relevant billable hours and services into the invoice for you. Once the invoice opens, review those imported entries carefully. Make sure the hours, services, and amounts reflect the work you intended to bill. From there, adjust the invoice details as needed. Check the invoice date, due date, and any other invoice information shown on the screen. These details matter because they affect when the client receives the invoice and when payment is expected. Now review the invoice total. Confirm that the amount matches the tracked time being billed and that everything adds up as expected. This final check helps catch mistakes before the invoice goes out. If everything looks good, click Save to create the invoice. Then, when you're ready to deliver it, click Send to email the invoice to your client directly from FreshBooks. That's it. You've successfully converted time entries into an invoice in FreshBooks. Thanks for watching.